Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today, I'd like us to start off with the GBPUSD. You can see the chart on the screen. This is an active uptrend, as you can see here. We check the force. You see that somehow on the force is a bit different from the day 15-minute chart. We are in some active downtrend. So I'm saying we are downtrend because you can see if we add the zigzag indicator, you'll be able to see clearly whatever I'm talking about. So we'll add the zigzag indicator. I'll make it a bit wide. So you can see what's happening. Look at how nicely it was forming lower highs. We had a higher high here. We had a lower high. We had a lower high. And we had a lower high here. Then we expect that now that the price is correcting itself to the upper side, it should form another lower high before the price continues to the lower side. So this chart basically is in a downtrend. The move which you're currently seeing to the upper side, this one here, is actually just a correction. And we don't expect it to extend beyond this high here. As you can see, we had lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. And we expect the next lower high to be somewhere around this area here. We don't expect price to break beyond this line which you have, this indicator line which you have here. Basically, this here, around this area is the place you should look for a sell from. Around this area here, which I've drawn around these two lines, 1.34273, 1.34724. So these are the places where if the price can give us any clear sell signal here, then that will be an ideal place to look for a sell from. I hope that makes sense. I want us to move forward to the next symbol, to Euro USD. So with the USD, so far the same thing is happening. We are in an active downtrend. You can see from this point here, we had swing high here. We had a lower high and we had a lower high. So as the price is moving up right now, this current candle, current move which you have from this point here, we actually expect this to be a correction. It should not break beyond this level here. So if the price is to continue upwards, that is if the price continues higher, then we don't expect it to go above this point here, which means around 1.15185, 1.15117. This is going to be the correct place to look for a sell from. The next symbol is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with the US dollar Japanese yen, so far, if you look at the lesser time frame, a lower time frame, it may look like the price is bearish, but on the higher time frame, like the daily chart, you can see that we actually have started buying from this point here. We had a lower low here. We had a higher low. We had a higher low. We had a higher low. And right now, we have another higher low here. Yeah. So basically, if the price can break beyond this level, 114.698, if the price can go and close above that level, then that will mean we are now continuing to the upside. So unless the price is above this point, we are going to be waiting for price at this level here. So unless the price clearly break and close above 114.698, we expect a pullback at least up to this level here. So unless the price breaks above this point, we do expect a pullback at least up to somewhere within this area here. The next symbol is gold. So with gold, so far gold is bullish. You remember what we mentioned last week? We had a support here. This is a very good resistance level. We expected that after the price had gone beyond it, which was somewhere here, we did expect price to pull back to the same point so that we pick a buy position when the price came here. So that did not happen. Instead, the price just continued to the upper side. So this does not mean that this level is insignificant. No, this level here is still very significant. It's just that the price did not pull back to it. So if the price can come back again to the same level the second time, then that should give us the ideal place to look for a sell from, sorry, a buy from. The other symbol which I'd like us to look at is the SP500. So the SP500, so far we are looking at an uptrend. We have our level there. We have our level there. And then we have our level here. Have another one here. So basically, these are the places we expect price to pull back up to. So if the price should break beyond 4717.08, sorry, if the price can break above this level here, then we'd like to see some signs that the price is actually sustaining itself above that level. That is, some struggling above this point, some bullish pin bars, some engulfing candles, to mean that the price is continuing even higher. And if the price pulls back down, then this will act as the best place to look for a buy from 45.50.2. The next symbol is this one, is the Brent oil. So the Brent oil, so far the price is in an uptrend, but we do expect some pullback. The price may likely pull back at least up to 77.475. This level here. We also have another level at this point here. So if for some reasons the price come back up to this point, 77.475, then this will act as the best place to look for a buy from. And in case the price ascends above 85.792, then this here will be the correct place to look for a buy from. So we just want to see whatever happens. If the price ascends above this point, we'll be looking for a buy. And if the price descends and touches this level here, 77.475, then this will be the correct place to look for a buy from. So thank you very much. This should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you. See you.